going to discuss this exam style question. This is from paper 2. So look at this, how we will find out. Here it is given OAB is the sector of a circle, center is given O and angle is given 110. And what is the radius? Radius is 5. So how to find out? The first one is given, calculate the length of the arc is equal to theta over 360 into 2 pi r. Why? Because 2 pi r is the circumference of the circle over 360. Okay. So now what we can write? This is 110 over 360 multiplied by 2 into pi into 5. Okay. So now this 0 will cancel and this will be 2 and this is 18, right? So what we can write here? We can write here 55 pi over 18. Right? This will be going to be approx of, this is going to be approx 9.60 centimeter. Okay. Now calculate the area of the sector OAB. So how will you find out the area? Same formula we will apply there also, right? So area of this sector is equal to what? Theta over 360 and multiplied by pi r square. Okay. So what is our theta? Theta is 110 and this is given 360. So we will multiply it by pi into 5 square. Okay. Now just 0 cancel. 25 into 11. So this is 275 pi over 36. And if you will find this as a approx, right? So this 24.0 centimeter square. Okay. So this is in the 3 significant figure. Okay. So now this is our third question. Write down the perimeter of the sector. So to find out perimeter of the sector, what we will do? This r plus this r plus this length, right? So how to find out? This third one, that is perimeter, right? So we can write perimeter is equal to, what is the length of this arc? We got that the length of arc was 9.6, right? So we will add here 9.6 plus 5 that is 10, right? So we have 19.6 centimeter. Okay.